Yes, good afternoon. Today we are going to know how to operate this machine, oversys machine, and how to switch it on, how to do cleaning, how to refill the beans, and we're talking about the cleaning tablets. Okay? Each machine comes with one box of this, contain 60 cleaning tablets. Okay, now we are going to switch on the machine, but we have to discover what is the on and off, okay, button to switch on the machine. First of all, you have to raise this, okay, the steam to the top. Then you put your hand down here, then push down, just push down. This is how to open this cover. Okay, again I'm going to explain. Just put your hand with your thumb down, then push down to open this box. If you want to close it again, don't push here. No, you have to push again down so it goes down. Okay, so I'm going to push up this. If you can come down here, so you're gonna see the button here, on and off. This is on and this is off. So we are going to switch on the machine now, and while we are here, we are going to show you also the dustbin of this machine. It is here, which is contain the dustbin of the coffee. It will be here if you are going to clean. Then when you are going to keep it back, okay, just insert it down. There is a sensor down there. It shows that it is already there. Okay, now, so we start on the machine. So we're going to put this back. As you see, it is starting now. Okay, put back the steam into its position. And while it is starting, we are going to, now it is starting. The important things when you see this comes into the machine, you have to understand that there is a button here, it's called rinsing. The machine, it will not work unless you do rinsing. So when you see the screen appears, direct, if you want the machine to operate, you have to press rinsing. So the machine will start. Without pushing this button, the machine, it will not start. So every time you do cleaning or you switch on the machine, you have to press rinsing. As we press rinsing now, you can see the coffee boiler here, okay, with this yellow signs. The coffee boiler, it is increasing now, and the steam boiler, okay, 1.5 bar, but it should reach till 90 centigrade. Now, the second, because this is a new machine, okay, so it will ask you for at least cleaning of like number one, at least one time cleaning. So we are going to open the cleaning tablets, as I'm going to show you here. This is the cleaning tablets, which is, you've seen it, and where it is located. If you can come back at the back here on the top, and then we open here the first container on the right, and then we're gonna put the cleaning tablet. As you see, the machine, when you see something broken like this, take it out, because the machine, it will not accept it. So where is the other piece of this? Somewhere here. But anyway, the machine, it's going to take the tablets automatically, okay? Every 24 hours, it has to be cleaned. It is automatically, it's going to ask you that we need to clean the machine after 24 hours. Okay, now it says press continue to start cleaning. So we have to press continue. Okay, cleaning mode, yes. Now, it has to going to say, okay, open the drain which is this one. Okay, open it and check if the ground drawer is empty or not. Of course it is empty, but we are going to just show you. It has to be empty during the cleaning mode. So if there is any water or if there is any rubbish or anything, it has to be clean. So we are going to clean it from the water and put it back. Okay. Then we are going to close back. So start cleaning. We already cleaned the ground drawer. So start cleaning. It will take approximately, as you see here, 10 minutes. It said steam will be active for a few seconds. So the steam, it's going to rise here and continue working for like a few seconds. So do not worry if you see the steam continue for 5 seconds, like steaming, it's normal. So we are going to wait, okay? So you're going to press now, start air. So it's going to continue for a few seconds till it stops automatically. See now, it is stopped. Okay? Now, it takes now, we said 10, so now it takes 8 minutes for cleaning mode. Okay? After cleaning mode, while it is on cleaning processing, we are going to show you where to keep the beans, the coffee beans. This machine consists of 2 containers, one on the right and one on the left. Okay? We are going to refill it with the coffee beans now. This is number 1 and this is number 2. And here you go, we got the coffee beans. We're going to keep the coffee beans here. Okay, we will divide by here and there, so we will use both. Okay, now, great. Now we have filled the coffee beans in both. Now you have to know that it has 2 grinders, grinder on the right and a grinder on the left. And then it is already set up of Crespy Cream software and Crespy Cream recipe. So you don't have to do anything with the settings and all this. It is already been set up. Okay, for the Crespy Cream recipes. So you just have to operate, and after cleaning we are going to show you how it is going to operate the machine. You will see everything on the screen, the espresso, Americano with the different sizes, and the coffee latte with different sizes. The milk steaming is outside in the jar. It doesn't have milk function, like it's not, the milk will not go into the machine. No, the milk steaming, it has to be in the jar outside in case if you want to make cappuccino. Okay, now we know about this. Machine is running, then you have to close, of course, the container down there. Okay, here you go. Now, this section, okay, it has a facility of the heating up. Mean you have to keep your cup on the top here, so it will keep your cup warm all the time. Okay, so you maintain the coffee product temperature when you give to the customer. Okay, so we get the 5 minutes. Before that, we are going to talk about some functions here. If you want water, let's say if I just want just hot water, okay? So I get this button here, it will give me hot water. It's on cleaning mode now, but I'm going to try to see if the hot water coming or not. So it's No, it has to complete the cycle of cleaning, so it will have, then later on the screen, it will function. Now we get to wait another 4 minutes. Okay, now we are going to talk about something else that you have to understand. Where are the power supply, or I can say the power plug of the machine? Okay, the power plug of the machine, it's not anywhere in here, it's also down. I'm going to show you, I hope it will not, it will continue. Okay, cleaning in progress. Okay, the water is going to drain. I'm going to show you down here some more information about, I'm not going to take out the drum because water during cleaning, some of the water coming into the below drawer. Okay, but I'm going to show you, here is the water connection and then it is on. Here is the water connection. If you can see down here, that is the drain connection. Okay, down here is it's the drain connection. That's only we have to connect. Later on, we are going to take this. The machine will ask to take out the drawer because it contains hot water after cleaning. So you have to take it carefully, okay? Because it contains hot water, so it might be dangerous when you take it out. You have to be careful. We get 3 minutes left, okay? And it is going to complete the processing of cleaning. More information about this machine, it's fully automatic, okay? And as a staff that you are going to use this, it has to be cleaned every 24 hours. It is set to be cleaned every 24 hours. Don't skip cleaning when it says it is time to clean, because it is going to take the tablets automatically. You just have to say continue cleaning, okay? And whenever it says, like, if you want to steam, you will see all the buttons in the screen, so you get to press steam, so it's going to clean the steam pipe for you, and then of course you get to wipe it, okay, with a wet cloth. And you don't have to go and change anything. Anyway, it has the complete set of the recipe of Crespy Cream. If I say complete set, mean the company already, the manufacturer already do the setup of the recipe, and each Americano, like, it will take this much gram, this much temperature of water, and this much temperature, this much quantity of coffee powder, okay, and this much quantity of water, and of course the temperature. It's all being set, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to use the screen appearing in here. If you get any orders for Americano or any product, keep your cup. It comes directly without anything. But I'm concerning about cleaning. Don't skip cleaning, otherwise we are going to face problems. Okay, now another recommendation for the coffee machine is you have, from times to times, you get the meter which is measuring the TDS of the water. The TDS of the water, how you are going to take it. The first, when you open, when you switch on the machine, then you start rinsing it, there will be water coming down through here. When you press rinsing, the waters will come down. Take quantity of small water from the machine, and then always try from times to time to measure the TDS. The TDS measures reading, it should be starting from 75 till 130 or 135. Okay, so that's the TDS reading. Now, cleaning, back to the machine. Cleaning is, I guess we already finished up the cleaning. So we are going to see now. See the message. Always read. Don't skip anything. Oh, I just pressed this by mistake. Sorry. It says Rick's injury, as we talk of injury, as we talked before. The down drawer has a hot water, and then it's alerting us here to take it carefully. So we are going to take, as we see, the water here. It's a bit hot, so you have to be careful. Just empty it, then put it back again. Then close the drawer. Now, you can see the product is all ready now. Okay, it's been setted. You have the I can say espresso 12 ounce, you have Americano, you have all the steams if you want, for like latte, like I can say latte 12, latte 16, and of course the guy who's going to use the machine to steam out the milk, he will choose the size that he wants. That's not only the menu, okay, we get more product. So you can turn to the next page by pressing into this arrow. So we have the next one, the next product here, it will appear. Then we have also the third page, which is, we have it for steam milk. Okay? Let's see what we have in the fourth. I think it's the hot water as well. Okay, we get only 3 pages. Now, this is the product is ready, set it. You just have to press any sale you have just to press any of the product that you want. Now, as we say, if you want water, so we press, earlier it was not working, so it's hot water. Okay, and this is the steam. If you want to have an extra steam, so you get to press. And the function of this machine, it's not really very dangerous, the steam, okay? So even you can put, it's like safe, but don't be closer more. Don't be closer more, okay, while you are, I mean, it's not really danger unless if you be more closer. This function, if you want to have more extra steam, so you can use this, okay, on and off for the steaming. And now the machine is ready to be used, and that's it. If you have any question, if you have anything, you can raise an email or a telephone calls, or if you have any problems, you can call us. We are ready to help you here to operate this machine, or if you have any error comes up, you will find the contact number and the email below this video. And thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.